что иностранцы знают о казахских традициях. Сегодня я покажу иностранцам казахские традиции, они поделятся своим мнением, они среагируют, они скажут, что они думают об этом. Ну и, конечно же, все мы узнаем, как выглядят казахские традиции в глазах иностранных граждан. Так что, поехали!
Қара жорға болмаса, бидің сәні келер ме? Қос етек көйлек кимесе, қыздың сәні келе ме? Алған екі жолдастар.
What's the age criteria here?
Age criteria?
Yeah, so you said when they meet an older person. So
how much?
Just young ladies, young women.
okay, so you meet any man who's an adult, basically.
No, old men
Right.
or
Okay.
old women. Yes.
To both genders?
For example,
or just men?
when representatives of other side come, yeah, for example, husband's side, and the women's, representing the wife's side, they greet in this way.
Okay.
So you greet both genders that way?
Sorry?
So you greet both genders?
Yes,
that
yes,
way?
yes.
Okay.
And what about the man? He doesn't do anything. The man, how would he respond?
No, they don't.
They don't do
I mean
anything?
that, yes.
Damn. Yeah.
Would it just be a handshake as it is in Britain, just a handshake, or with the men meeting men?
Yes, men, for example, when men greet each other, they shake hands. Yeah.
Shake hands. Okay.
Or they use two hands, for
Okay.
example, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much a courtesy, isn't it?
No,
Like, years
literally,
ago.
it's a slightly different curtsy because you got your hand down in front and you're kind of curtsying.
Yes. So, are you Scottish?
Yes, I'm Scottish.
Well, actually.
German and
Uh-huh.
English.
So, have you got kind of traditions when you greet, for example, when your women greet other people?
I generally shake hands. Don't I
I'd just
like
say
one?
shake hands or just say hello.
Awkwardly punch them on the shoulder if you're me.
Or maybe German or Scottish people had in past.
No idea.
I don't know.
In your kilt, I guess. I don't know.
Is it only the women that do
Yes.
it? Well, maybe a little bit. In our tradition, the guys and the women do it to their elders. So maybe it is a little bit sexist, yeah.
Do you regard yourself as a feminist?
Yeah, I suppose so, yeah, in a way. I believe everyone should have equality in all aspects, so yeah.
Have you ever seen such kind of tradition?
No, never seen that before. No.
Yes. Does it look weird?
No, it doesn't look weird. It's nice. I like traditions from each country.
When we meet elder people, we also will show our respect, but we never do this. Sometimes we just nod our heads.
Қара жорға болмаса, бидің сәні келер ме? Қос етек көйлек кимесе, қыздың сәні келе ме?
Қара жорға.
This is genuinely Chris dancing in Viper. I actually have a video.
One Scottish guy said that it reminds him of Indian dances. You don't think
It
so?
does actually.
Does it sound like? You mean
It does,
music?
It sounds it, yeah, and even the way they're dressed.
Even dress?
Yeah, the way they're dressed in colourful outfits.
That's kind of like Cossacks.
No, Kazakhs,
Yeah, but no.
not Cossacks.
It reminds me of Cossacks.
Cossacks? Oh, that's funny. So you mean Russian, Ukrainian Cossacks?
Yeah.
You mean? Wow.
A little bit the same like some people doing in province who name the name Mungu in China.
Can you dance
No.
in this way?
Oh, this is not right now. Not right
At the
now.
present moment, I don't want to be
Can
put
you
on
do
the
it?
spot.
It seems difficult.
I can't. To be honest, yeah.
It's very much with your hands, isn't it?
It's not just your hands. Look at that. That's the whole body. It's like
It's
rotating.
full body exercise.
Yes. And what does this type of dance remind you of? Maybe other ethnic groups or countries
It's not like
that use?
that's like looks a bit German folk dance. It's kind of like that.
Yeah.
And even like Katie, look at that. Like,
Yeah.
It's kind of like a Kaylee, just a bit slower.
It looks a little similar to Indian dancing, though they usually tend to shake the hips more.
Yeah.
Indian. Yes. It can remind. So can you dance Scottish dances maybe or German?
I can do Kaylee dancing.
Kaylee dancing, piece of piss.
Yeah.
How did you say?
Kaylee dancing.
Kelly dance.
Yeah, so it's traditional Scottish folk dancing.
Uh-huh.
Those who know your partner. Those who know the person beside you.
You can.
Yeah.
Everyone can.
Everyone can.
Everyone
We're taught it in schools from a young age.
Can you show? Is it unusual tradition from?
It is a wee bit unusual, but so are most traditions. Like traditions to people in Scotland seem normal, but to someone like you from a different country, they seem weird. Just like this, to some people here, they might be like, well, what's the point in that? But to you, that's a completely normal tradition. It just depends where you're from, doesn't it?
Yes.
Because walking's not hard enough.
So is that, no, just like round one leg. It's like laces.
Yeah, it's time both together, isn't
Both legs are.
Both together.
it? Try this. Oh.
And I think we can see what the baby will be like in the future. Just
so
like
it-
if he choose a car, maybe he will be a driver.
Wow.
If he choose a basketball, maybe he will be a player.
You know,
in some
Yao
place-
Ming.
Yeah.
When he did that, you know,
Ребята, надеюсь, вам понравился этот выпуск. Если понравился, то я предлагаю вам лайкнуть это видео, предложить своим друзьям подписаться на мой канал, ну и в целом шерить это видео, чтобы как можно больше людей посмотрели его. И обещаю, я буду вас радовать другими выпусками. Их будет очень много, и они вам обязательно понравятся.